Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We got here 2009 Porsche Cayenne GTS, and I will show you how to replace your cabin filter. These should be replaced every 10,000 miles. You need to get under the passenger side, and this cover will come off very easily. The only thing is, has this clip here and another clip here, and it has a bolt in the middle, just a normal Phillips screw right here, and then you pull it down. And once you pull it down, you can actually leave it like this. It shouldn't be in the way of anything. The filter is right here actually. There's a cover there, and we need to disconnect this pipe here, so it looks like it just comes out of this. You just pull this, and then on the other side it just falls down. So you put this on the side, and where the filter is, it's actually right here. It's in this area right here. So in order to open it, we got these little tiny bolts here. I need to see what they are. They seem to be like a 6 or 7 millimeter, very tiny bolt. So let me find a socket for these. Okay, this seems to be actually a 5.5 millimeter. It's a crazy tiny size. And once you open the two bolts, oops, and as usual, this filter is pretty dirty because it hasn't been changed probably in a while, but it's okay. Okay, make sure you see the direction of the air, and the direction of the air is forward. Okay, it's there, or towards the firewall. Okay, so we'll take this one out, and this is the filter we're going to replace it with. And direction is down, so it's like this. And okay, and then it's just these two bolts that hold here, and these little 3 slots. So first you need to put in the slots, and then you put it up where the bolts are. I'm not sure if you can see this, but this is what it looks like. So the 3 slots are there, and you install it with the slot first, and then it's the bolt there and this one here. Okay, there we go. And remember, the installation back is this pipe here that goes to the left side first, and then it clicks on the right side. Make sure to push in on the left side. And the way this is gonna go, it has this thing here. So this is gonna go first, and this one here, and this one here, They go into these slots here. They go into these slots here, and actually it looks like the one on the left side is broken, so somebody must have broken it before, because we didn't break it now. And okay, once it clips, remember you have the Phillips, and this Phillips is right here in the middle, and it is in a very tight place. Okay, and this is it. Again, cabin filter of 2000 and cabin filter replacement, or cabin Pollen filter. Cabin Pollen filter replacement, 2009 Porsche Cayenne GTS. Again, please try to replace these every 2 oil changes or every 10,000 miles, or you are risking creating a damage to your AC system. Then of course you can start smelling some real nasty smells, and your car is gonna stink when you turn the AC on if you don't replace these filters on time. Thanks very much for watching. Please like my videos and please subscribe. Thank you.